Hi guys, okay, in today's video I'm going to show you how we can get our visual card for PalmPay. Yes, so first you look below your available balance icon, so you're going to see four other options, that is four other icons: to bank, to PalmPay, savings and ATM card. You choose ATM card because that's what you're going for, so you're going to pick ATM card. So it's going to take you to another menu to load for some time. Yes, now this is the menu. Now there are four other options here, so we are going for the visual card. Yes, you can go for other cards, like the first one is Valve Classic card. You can go for Afrigo card, visual card. Yes, this is what we're going to go for. Then the last is Valve business card, so we will go for what we came for, that's the visual card. So when you tap it, when it shows like this, you tap apply now. You can read other things here if you want to know anything about it. Yes, you can read other things here, but now you just want to know how you can apply. You tap apply now. So yes, your there already your personal information will be set, so you just have to pay. The minimum amount is 199 naira. So if you have 199 naira, you can get your visual card. So guys, this is how you can get your visual card for PalmPay. Save guys.